How to act on a movie date. A romantic and enjoyable date idea is taking someone to the movies. It's a wonderful opportunity to spend time with someone special while watching a movie. The best way to behave on a movie date, even if you're anxious, is to have fun and enjoy the movie and your partner's company. 1. In order to be more flexible, ask your date to choose the movie. Be willing to let your date choose the movie for the date if you really want to make a good impression. Let them select the content they want to view. They might consider this to be a kind and considerate act. 2. To reach a compromise, decide on the movie as a group. Talk about the movie you want to see if you want to have more of a say. Present your date with a few options before deciding on a film together. You may both watch the movie that way. 3. Dress comfortably and casually. In general, going to the movies is thought of as a laid-back environment for a date. Wearing a party dress or a tie is overdressing. Wear things that give you confidence and comfort instead. 4. With your date, confirm the movie start time. Once a movie has been chosen, call or text your date to confirm the time of the meet-up. When you confirm the time, be sure to include a note expressing your excitement for the date. 5. Arrive early at the theater. Make plans in advance and arrive at the theater 5 to 10 minutes early. This can help you relax before the date and get rid of any last-minute anxiety. If you'd like, you can wait for your date in front of the theater or buy their ticket while you're there. 6. Introduce yourself to your date with a grin and a hello. Make eye contact and smile when you first encounter your date at the theater. Call out, hello, or hi. Maintain a relaxed posture while facing your date. 4. 7. If it would make you more at ease and willing, suggest buying your date's ticket. Offering to pay for your date's ticket could make an impression and demonstrate your sincerity. Last but not least, and by far the most important thing, just do it. Have some fun and take care. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.